Now, one of the most visible signs of this crisis this week has been the lines and queues outside banks as panicked customers try to pull money out of the ATM machine. The government imposed strict limits on withdrawals to try to stem a bank run. But for tourists that are visiting Greece, life is very different. Filio Contrafori has this.
With banks shut and its future in question more than ever, Greece is trying to avoid an economic collapse. But for most tourists, it appears to be business as usual.
We've been able to withdraw money with no problem here in Greece throughout our various stops. We've used our cards at the ATMs, we've used cards at stores. We feel fine shopping here. It's a beautiful country, and everyone should be here visiting and not be fearing the situation.
We were prepared, absolutely, coming to Greece to deal with the financial situation on our part. So bringing cash and bringing quite a bit of cash. So sometimes that's concerning as well, but our hotel has safes, so we feel safe in the city. But we're paying a lot of attention, I think, to what's going on.
Foreign governments advise people traveling to Greece to bring enough cash to last their trip. One of the few problems tourists face is that some ATMs quickly run out of cash.
Greeks are limited to withdrawing only 60 euros a day, but this limit does not apply to tourists with foreign credit and debit cards.
Local customers have stopped coming to this historic Athens restaurant. In the last few days, it's mostly the tourists who keep it full.
There has been absolutely no problem. We accept all sorts of cards from tourists, no problems. And even if the tourist doesn't have money, Greeks are hospitable. We will offer hospitality to tourists even if they can't use their cards.
The money spent by visitors is more vital than ever in an economy where tourism has been its lifeblood. According to travel agents, just as long as the situation doesn't drag on or get worse.
There is some numbness in promoting future reservations, which has happened several times during the past 5 years. As soon as the crisis ends, tourism growth returns to normal.
Travel officials say there have been limited cancellations for the next few weeks, but they say a political deal could quickly return things back to normal. For now, their advice is carry more cash. Filio Contrafori, CCTV, Athens.